Example problem 7 reads, how many particles are in 6.122 moles of iron, or Fe? So we're given 6.122 moles of iron, Fe. We're being asked for particles, or atoms, because anything on the periodic table of elements just as a single element is an atom. So we can substitute the word atoms of Fe for the word particles, because atoms is a lot shorter to write than the word particles over and over again. So we can go from moles to atoms or particles in one step, because moles is treated as a base unit, and atoms, particles, or molecules, they are used interchangeably, are treated kind of like grams are as something with a prefix. So from a base unit to something with a prefix is a one-step conversion. So multiplication sign, division bar, moles of Fe is brought down, and then atoms of iron are on top as a single conversion. In 1 mole, there is always going to be 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of iron, and that is called Avogadro's number. So there will always be Avogadro's number of atoms, particles, and molecules in 1 mole of any type of molecule or atom. So moles cancel, you're left with atoms, and so in your calculator, you'll write 6.122 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, and that answer will be 3.685, so 3.69 times 10 to the 24th atoms of iron, Fe. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 7.